we're on our way now, thank you.
I'm gonna catch my train. What, you're not sitting over there anymore? You actually want something to do with me now? Yeah? Pick and choose, do you?
You pick and choose when you like.
Yeah.
You don't like me later.
What?
No, I spilled my orange juice and then
Calibre on doors for departure.
I got the water in the bag with the orange juice and then I got the water on the floor just everywhere.
Bloody hell.
What do you mean?
You had your AirPods in there,
No.
It's like 40
Yeah, you peed me off. You triggered me. What?
It's time to take you through the safety procedures for our Boeing 737-800. It's very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with details about emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, the brace position, and more.
And you'll find even more safety info in our Jetaway magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by us.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked, and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear